Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. So today I want to show you the progression for the song Waymaker. So I'll teach you the progression so that you'll be able to play it in any key. So the first part goes I'm in the key of C now. You know that already, yeah. You are here. So it's 4. So 4 is, when I say 4, I mean fa, that's your 4 degree. So you have to know the number system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In any key, yeah. So you are here, 4. Moving in this place, 1. I worship you, 5. I worship you, 6. You are here, 4. Moving in this place, 1. I worship you, 5. I worship you, right, 6. So I'm going to show you 2 progressions to this song. Then the second part goes 4. Waymaker, miracle worker, 1. Promise keeper, light in the darkness, 5. That is who you are, 6. So it goes 4. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. So you're going to have a bump like this. That is who you are. Let me use basic chords. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. So now what I'm going to say again is, instead of ending on 6, you can actually end on 2. So let's go again. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. So what I've done now, you can transfer this to all other keys and play there. God bless you. Thank you. Click the subscribe button. Bye.